Hi lovelies, you're all welcome to the Delicious Kitchen. Do you have eggs at home? If yes, let me share this simple delicious recipe with you. Remember to follow, like and share. So lovelies, like I've said, we're going to be using eggs. You can see I have 4 eggs here. All you need to do is to open those eggs, put it in a bowl, mix it together, let it be well whisked together. Just use a fork, all right? Now get your pot. I'll be using olive oil. Feel free to use vegetable oil or even granite oil. Lovelies, I'll be using olive oil. Let it be heated up and pour the mixed eggs into it. What I have here are diced onions and sliced tomatoes. I just sprinkles the diced onions, and I'll be placing those sliced tomatoes on top of the egg. Lovelies, we are frying this under medium heat, so I'll be sprinkling some black pepper on it. After that, I'm going to sprinkle some salt. And of course, for the heat vibe, some chili flakes on it. So, lovelies, just need to shake it together like this. Lovelies, non-sticky pot is the very best pan for this recipe. So let it fry for about 4 to 3 minutes, okay? 3 to 4 minutes. Now flip from the right side to the left side, and you flip from the left side to the right side. Okay, so just now repeat the same process from the front to the back and from the back to the front. All right, that is how we want it to be. Those ingredients that we sprinkled on them, it's already at the middle. Remember, we have tomatoes, we have onions, black pepper, salt, and chili flakes. All right, so after that, we're just going to flip it now and allow it to fry. All right, let it fry until it gets to your own desired golden brown. Okay, so that is it. This one is ready. Let me give you another tip. In that very same pan you used, okay, just get 2 sliced bread. All right, place it on it, fry it in the remaining oil that you have in that pot. Eat it up, let it be for about 2 to 4 minutes. Okay, within 2 to 4 minutes, everything will be okay. Now take it out. You can eat the bread like this, or you eat it with the egg we've just fried. Lovely, but I hate this like this. Oh, this is a must try for everyone. It is so simple, and if you make this, believe me, you have your breakfast already. Let me show you how it looks inside out. Can you see? This is yummy. Thanks for watching.